Hey, we are diving into a tool that has, no joke, completely changed the game for creators. We're going to build a step-by-step playbook for using ChatGPT to really grow your YouTube channel. So, get this. In just 2 months, ChatGPT exploded to over 100 million monthly users. I mean, that's not just growth, that's like a meteor hitting. It's totally shifted how we think about work, creativity, and for us, content creation.
Okay, but what does all that hype mean for you and your channel? Well, beyond the buzz, this thing is an incredibly powerful tool. Today, we're going to crack open the playbook and turn this AI into your own personal assistant, one that can help take you from zero to viral.
All right, first things first. Let's get a handle on what ChatGPT really is, deep down. And, more importantly, how we can set it up for maximum success from the very first thing you type.
You've got to think of it less like a search engine and more like a creative partner. Seriously, it's been trained on this mind-boggling library of books and articles and websites, which lets it understand not just words, but context and even your style. It can help with every single part of making a video.
Now, this is maybe the most crucial step, so listen up. You have to personalize it right away. Before you even ask for one video idea, you have to teach it about you. We're going to give it a simple command that tells it your channel's niche, who your audience is, and your content style. Trust me, this one step makes sure every single thing it gives you is actually tailored for your brand.
You always have to remember this. The quality of what you get out of the AI is 100% determined by the quality of what you put in. It's that old saying, right? Garbage in, garbage out. So let's master the art of writing the perfect prompt.
A really killer prompt follows this simple 4-part formula you see right here. You just combine the task, the context, the format, and the role. Doing this turns a kind of vague request into a super powerful instruction that the AI can just execute flawlessly.
And honestly, the difference is night and day. A basic prompt like, hey, write an article, is going to get you a pretty bland, generic answer. But an engineered prompt, acting as an expert YouTube strategist, create a content calendar in a table format. See? That gets you a professional, ready-to-use plan that's made exactly for you.
Okay, so now we know how to talk to our new AI assistant. Let's actually put it to work. We're going to use your own channel's data to find video ideas that are basically already primed to go viral with your specific audience.
First thing you're going to do is go into your YouTube studio, head over to Analytics, and click on Advanced Mode. From there, you can download a CSV file of all your channel data. And let me tell you, this file is pure gold.
By feeding ChatGPT your actual performance data, you're not guessing anymore. You're not just throwing things at the wall to see what sticks. The AI can literally pinpoint what your audience loves, the topics, the formats, the style, and then hand you a list of tailored, data-driven ideas that just have a much, much higher chance of success.
Look, we all know this. An amazing, perfectly edited video is completely useless if nobody clicks on it. So let's use AI to engineer the perfect title and thumbnail combination that's going to maximize those clicks.
So forget spending hours scrolling through stock photo sites. Now, you can just generate what you need. Say you're making a video about a channel's decline, you could prompt it for a cracked and weathered YouTube logo on a black background, and bam, you get a unique, custom element in seconds.
And here's where it gets really cool. You can even upload your draft thumbnail and ask for a critique. This is a real example of how AI feedback took a good design and made it great. It pointed out that it was too crowded, that some parts were unclear, and it even suggested adding a glow effect to the text to make it pop. Just brilliant.
And just like we did for video ideas, you can upload your channel's data and ask for 5 super clickable titles for your next video. This makes sure the new titles don't just grab attention, but they also match the style that you already know works for your audience.
All right, let's talk about the edit. This is where so many creators get stuck. We're going to look at speeding up your workflow and breaking through those annoying creative blocks right in the editing process itself. So imagine you've got this line in your script, and you're just stuck. You have no idea how to visualize it, especially if you make faceless videos where you can't just rely on your expressions.
Well, you can just ask for visual ideas for any line in your script, and it'll instantly spit out creative, concrete concepts like these. It completely breaks that creative block and helps you bring your script to life on the screen. It's a lifesaver.
And finally, engagement doesn't stop when the video ends, right? A truly thriving channel needs a thriving community. And yeah, we can use AI to help foster that connection.
You can ask it for creative poll ideas or cool conversation starters that are related to your niche. This lets you keep your audience consistently engaged between your big video uploads and helps you build a real community, all with, minimal effort.
So, look, using AI isn't just an option for creators anymore. It's really becoming a necessity if you want to stay ahead of the curve. We've just built your personalized AI assistant. It's ready to go. The only question left is, what are you going to create first?